So one of those fears that again is common for business owners to have, but they feel like they're the only ones that have this in some cases. This one is pretty common and is a self-imposed obstacle to giving up control. Is this business and my direct influence over all these outcomes and all these processes is my identity. If I give away all this, if I hire and train and educate people well enough that they can make all the decisions and I reduce my role in my own company, what is my identity going to be? Well, who would I be if I was not the owner of this successful carpet cleaning business, for example? Who would I be if I was not the go-to person in my accounting company? What would my role in life be? What would my purpose in life be if I was not the person who was the go-to person? If you need to know somebody, I'm the one you call because I own an IT company and I know all kinds of people in the area. So this is one of those fears that we have to kind of overcome if we're going to give ourselves permission to delegate decisions to people and give them levels of control that we're a little uncomfortable with. So this goes back to my question when I work with all people in the beginning, which is, what do you want your life to look like later on? So if you want to be the person who's working until your 87th birthday, that's fine. That's definitely an outcome we can shoot for. If you don't, though, and you want to be a person who says, I want to retire when I'm 65 or 70 or 53 or whatever number you want, that's fantastic. We have to figure out what you want to do then so that you have fulfillment, you have purpose in life, and you have all the things that you want as a human being with real life emotions and real life needs that are separate from this business. Because if you don't establish those things, you don't have something to shoot for, you will have things you're pushing against. And those things you're pushing against will keep you from delegating decisions and keep you from turning over control of the company because you're afraid of, if I don't have this and I haven't established anything else I'm going to be, well, where does that leave me?